Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing a super budget tripod I got for just the 198 from Flipkart. Let's check if it's really worth the price or just a waste of money. So let's get started without wasting any time. It came in the usual Flipkart cardboard box. Now let's open it up, and here it is, the box of the selfie stick tripod. Here on the box you can see the pictures. It shows how it works. You can use it with your phone as a selfie stick or stand it up like a proper tripod. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. When, as expected, first thing we have the user manual. Not that exciting, but here it is, the NAFA 3-in-1 tripod. It's black, looks sleek and feels lightweight. You can use it as a selfie stick or a tripod, perfect for selfies, videos, video calls, vlogging, even overhead shots. The full length is about 60 cm, not too short, not too long. Some people may want a longer one, but honestly, for me, this size is okay. And when folded, it's super compact, fits in your pocket or small bag easily. Great for outdoor use. It's stable, and I love that I can just set it up, pull out the stand, and watch movies or record without worrying about slipping. And the best part, it has 3 6-side rotation and a 140-degree tilt angle, so you can easily adjust it for any angle you want. I'm actually impressed with this tripod. You also get a Bluetooth remote, super useful if you're solo traveling or vlogging alone. To connect it, just press the camera icon on the stick. Then turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for devices, and you'll see the selfie stick's name. Tap to pair, and that's it. Simple and fast. Once paired, just slide up and remove the Bluetooth remote from the stick. Now you can take pictures or record videos from a distance. No need for a second person. And yes, you can even take burst photos by holding the button. That's such a cool feature. The remote uses a replaceable lithium battery. Just open the cap and you can replace it anytime. I'm not sure how long it lasts, but I think it should be fine for 7 to 8 months depending on your usage. So overall, this 198 3-in-1 tripod is total value for money. It's got a solid build, compact design, smooth Bluetooth connection, and features like rotation, tilt, and a detachable remote at this price. It's honestly a steal. If you're a beginner or looking for a budget tripod, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. Guys, if you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more budget gear reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.